Now, the Professional Football Jamaica Limited PFJL, which runs the Jamaica Premier League, has been rocked by the resignation of its Finance Committee Chairman, Yoni Epstein. As Garfield Jones reports, this is the second high-profile resignation from the PFJL in less than a year.
8 months after CEO Owen Hill walked away from leading the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Yoni Epstein on Thursday submitted his resignation as finance chairman of the entity, citing concerns about the organization's financial governance. In his letter dated April 9, Epstein said his decision followed a persistent and troubling pattern of the board overriding recommendations from the Finance Committee, advice he says was critical to protecting the league from the risk of insolvency. His resignation takes effect immediately. Epstein accused the board of prioritizing payments to clubs over settling key operational debts, including obligations to broadcasters, match officials, and health insurance providers. He pointed to a recent decision as the final straw, where despite having just $7.6 million in cash and nearly $29 million owed to creditors, the board approved $5.6 million in distributions to clubs. Epstein described the move as indefensible and said it undermines the financial integrity of the organization. Epstein maintained that he could not continue in the role while such decisions were being made, adding that his professional integrity would not allow him to support practices he fundamentally opposes. However, Epstein has offered to assist with a transition and urged the board to urgently address its outstanding liabilities. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.